Hey YouTube, today I'm gonna show you how to fix a problem with the iPhones. This is the iPhone 4S through AT&T, but it's factory unlocked to T-Mobile, as you guys can see it. Uh, so the problem is with these iPhones is that if you try to go to the camera, it'll give you a blank screen, or the shutter won't even open. There's a virtual shutter. I don't know, it's not coming out right now, but let's see. See, there we go. So the shutter won't open even if you try switching it to the video. There's nothing. So the fix for this is actually going to the App Store. There's a lot of rumors saying that it's a hardware issue or even a software issue, where that is not really the problem. It might be a software issue, but I tried even restoring it and everything, and it did not work. What worked for me was actually just downloading an application, a camera app from the App Store. Here, let's see. It's taking a lot of time. There we go. You go to the search, just type in camera and hit search. See, this is a $1.99 one, but I found this for free right here. Just download it. Just wait till it downloads. But once it downloads and you open it, you can go to the camera and you can take pictures or videos or anything you want to do. And it's almost done. I'll give it like 10 seconds or something. Alright, there we go. See, if you open it and camera would like to access, okay, or don't allow. But there we go, you can take pictures and everything. As you guys can see, the camera's open right here. Even if you go to the video, it will also take a video. Here, let's take a picture. There we go. So all you gotta do is actually download another application, and that's it. Plus, what I have actually noticed after downloading that application is that after using it for a couple of minutes, I tried my original camera app that comes within the iPhone, and it actually worked fine, and the shutter open and everything. So, this downloading that app, the camera app from the App Store, kind of fixed the problem. So, but I guess it depends on the iPhone. So you guys can try and see and let me know if it works or not. And please like and subscribe. Thank you.